WTHN Acupuncture Mat 101, ProsourceFit Acupressure Mat. How to use. The WTHN Acupuncture Mat is a wellness tool designed to provide the benefits of acupressure in the comfort of your home. Here's what you need to know about it, what it includes. The set typically comes with an acupressure mat, a pillow, and a carrying case. Materials: made from high-quality materials for durability and longevity. Benefits: it aims to relieve pain, muscle tension, improve sleep, and promote a general sense of well-being. Usage: customers report positive experiences, including significant pain relief and improved sleep after regular use. Expert endorsement: acupressure specialists recommend it for relaxation and wellness. Customer reviews: many users have shared overwhelmingly positive reviews, praising its effectiveness for pain relief and relaxation. How to use: lay the mat on a flat surface, lie down on it, and allow the gentle stimulators to activate acupressure points across your body. For those experiencing back pain, the WTHN Acupressure Mat has been reviewed as a helpful tool for managing pain and providing relief. It's been noted that settling into the mat can be a bit uncomfortable at first, but it eases with regular use. If you're considering purchasing the WTHN Acupressure Mat, it's recommended to read through various customer reviews and consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific health conditions or concerns. Remember, individual results may vary, and it's important to use such wellness tools as part of a comprehensive health management plan.